What to do when you can't install iOS 15 beta update? Check your iPhone's compatibility. With every new iOS release, the list of compatible iPhone models changes. So, before trying to upgrade your device's software, check if the model supports the update. If you have an iPhone 6s or a later model, you should be able to upgrade the operating system to iOS 15. Make sure you have enough battery life. If you don't have enough battery, the iOS 15 update can get interrupted. To download and install the software update without any interruptions, make sure your iPhone battery has no less than 50% charge. Make sure you have enough space. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then go to General Settings. Tap on iPhone Storage. At the top, you'll see how much free space you have. It's recommended to have at least 4 GB free storage space. Connect to a different Wi-Fi network. To update your iPhone to iOS 15 without any problem, connect to stable Wi-Fi. If you're in a coffee shop or another place using public Wi-Fi, the connection will probably be slow and unstable. Find and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network like your home or office to download and install the iOS 15 update. Also, if you're using a VPN, make sure to turn it off while updating the iPhone software. After the installation is complete, you can turn it back on. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Force quit iPhone Settings app. On iPhones with Face ID, from the bottom of the screen, swipe up. On iPhones with a home button, double-click it. Find the settings window and drag it all the way up to force quit it. Wait for a few seconds and open the app again. Go to General Settings. Click on Software Update. Now, start the iOS 15 update process again. Delete the update and reboot your iPhone. To delete the iOS 15 update, open the Settings app. Go to General Settings, tap on iPhone Storage. Locate the iOS 15 update and tap on it. Then tap on Delete Update and confirm the action. Finally, restart your iPhone. Try to update a little later. When a major update is released worldwide, many users want to get their hands on it. That can slow down the update process. If you see a message waiting to update, be patient and wait until the update begins to download. Fix frozen update. If you've been waiting for quite some time for the update to start downloading and nothing is happening, the update is probably frozen. Check our article on how to fix the frozen update issue on your iPhone, which you'll find in the article linked in the video description. Download and install iOS Update from a computer. Connect your iPhone to Mac or Windows PC with a cable. In the Finder window, click on your device name. In iTunes, click on the phone icon. If asked, on your computer, click on Trust, and on your iPhone, tap on Trust and enter the passcode. From the General tab in Finder or the Summary tab in iTunes, click on Update or check for update. If an iOS update is found, click on Download and Install. Proceed with the instructions on the screen and, if asked, enter the passcode on your iPhone to accept the update. Wait while your iPhone upgrades to iOS 15. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.